Hi guys, in this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can add a gift with purchase on Shopify. This is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, of course, is you want to log into your Shopify store to add a gift with purchase. Now, first thing you need to do, guys, like I said, you want to log into your Shopify store. After that, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left. And then you want to click on apps and sales channels. And then you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Okay, so next thing you need to do, guys, you want to search here on your Shopify App Store. You want to search for gift with purchase, and then after that you want to download this app. I tried like multiple apps, but the one I like the most is this app. It has like a free trial available. You can try it and see if you like it. If you don't like it, of course, you can always delete it before the free trial ends. Now I'm going to download the app right now. Now this is the logo of the app, just in case something changed or anything. Make sure you download the exact same app. It's built for Shopify. Now I want to click on install, and it's going to take you guys to the next page. You just need to confirm again. Just click on install. Okay, guys, after that, it's going to take you directly, guys, to the app. Of course, assuming you already added the gift on your products, of course, you have to price the gift 0, okay, for this to work. Okay, so after you add the gift to the products here, now what you guys need to do, if you haven't done that already, just keep watching. I'm gonna be showing you how you can do this. Now you want to click on approve. As you can see, you only have like 1 day free trial. If you don't like the app, you can just remove it, okay, before 1 day. As you can see, click on approve. Okay, it's going to take you guys directly to the app. Now you want to start adding. First thing you need to do, guys, you want to click here on activate app. As you can see, it's like activate app in your theme. To get started, click on activate here app. It's going to take you guys to your theme editor to enable this app in your theme editor. Okay, so you just need to toggle this on, okay, and after that, make sure you click on save in the top right. Okay, guys, next thing you need to do, guys, you want to click here. It says create your first role. Okay, so you want to click here, or you can create this green button in the top right here. Okay, just need to click on create a role, and you want to name this role, for example, free gift. Okay, and you can for example, trigger this rule when a customer's cart reaches a certain value. Okay, so for example, you can set, for example, cart value, like if customer reached more than $100, they will be able to see the free gift automatically in the cart. Okay, so I will show you how you can do this in a few seconds. Like, you just need to check here which one you want. For example, if you want the product, if you want to select your product, it will trigger the rule when a certain product or products are added, or products are added to cart. Like when a certain product is added to cart, it will trigger the rule, which is like they will add like a gift to the cart automatically. Now I'm going to click in our cart value. I'm going to trigger this rule when a customer's cart reaches a certain value. I'm going to scroll down, and the value here, the amount I'm going to add here, $100. And you can you can also change multiple things here. For example, allow this rule to be triggered more than once per cart. You can do that if you want. But our rule works in reverse. Enabling this setting will remove automatically added product if the cart content change and the rule conditions are no longer met. So if someone has added like 2 products and the cost of these 2 products is $100, but they removed one of the products, then the gift will disappear from their cart automatically. Okay, so here you can also change here, for example, rule action automatically add products to cart, give customers choice of products to add. Okay, so you can do that. Now I'm going to click on automatically add to cart, and now here you want to add, then automatically add, which is the gift. Okay, I'm going to click on choose products, and I'm going to search for the gift that I have created. Okay, it's a free gift. I'm going to add it. Make sure the price of the free gift is 0. Okay, now next thing you need to do, guys, is here, after you add here the gift, okay, as you can see, make sure you add some quantity to the gift. I'm going to do that right now. Okay, I'm going to change, I'm going to add more quantity to the gifts. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down here, and the value I'm going to change it to 3. Okay, so I'm going to go back. Now you want to scroll down, and you can also like prevent customers changing added item quantities in their cart. You can prevent them. You can prevent customers purchasing the added items outside of the rule. So you can check this box. Very important, because if you like, for example, if you priced your like gift $0, there are some customers who are going like to purchase that item alone without without anything else, without like adding products to like certain products to carts, so that it will trigger like the it will trigger like the rule. But if they add like the free gift to cart and they purchased it, then there is a problem. So you can prevent them, you can prevent customers purchasing the added items outside of the rule. Now you can make a lot of notifications. You can also click on show a notification, like the customer will receive a notification when they reach when the customer reaches a certain value. Now like message is going to be congratulations, something like that. Okay, congratulations. And here message sub or line, for example, you have won a free gift. Okay, now you will see the gift icon here, as you can see. Okay, you can also make some changes here, like don't apply any discount if you like, if you want. Okay, you can just add the items at normal price. Okay, the schedule, you can click on here, run this rule continuously, as you can see. And after that, you want to click on save. Click on save without discount, ignore and save. And that's all, guys, you need to do. Okay, so next thing you need to do, guys, you want to go and see if this works or not. You want to go to your online store and add certain products. For example, this product cost $40. I'm going to try to add it to cart. As you can see, the free gift will now appear here on the cart after I add like multiple products. Now I'm going to remove all the added products to cart. I'm going to remove all these products because I have added like multiple products to cart to see if this works. So I'm going to remove all of these products. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my online store, and I'm going to add certain products. Like I'm going to add, let's say, let's add this product. Okay, so I'm going to add this product to cart right now. Add to cart. I don't know, this is taking so long to add this to cart. Anyway, as you can see, I'm going to click on view cart here, and as you can see, the rule is not triggered. It's because this product, I didn't include it in the on the like I'm going to check like another product. I'm going to add this product. I'm going to click on add to cart, and I'm going to view cart. Like the rule is not triggered. So what you guys need to do here, want to go back and check like the product out of stock. Free gift for you is out of stock. So you want to, yeah, this is the problem here. Okay, so you will have to add this like the quantity to the out of like the free gift. Okay, so I'm going to click on free gift here, and I'm going to add some quantity to it. Okay, I'm going to click here, continue selling when out of stock. Check, as you can see, I'm going to click on here, and let's see now if the products, if the gift will appear. I'm going to click on add to cart. As you can see, congratulations, you have won a free gift. This is the message your customers will see. Now I'm going to click on view cart, and this is, as you can see, the free gift now appears on the cart. Okay, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. Any question you have, ask me in the comments. I reply to everyone. Make sure you drop a like on this video, and see you guys in the next video.